In today's video, we will learn fast zoom effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the video footage and I will apply zoom effect in this layer. Select video layer and go to effect controls and search transform and brightness and contrast. Drag the transform on the video layer, then again search brightness and contrast. Drag the effect onto the video layer and go to the effect control panels. Here you can see transform and brightness and contrast effect. At the beginning, I will increase scale value to 120 and turn on the stopwatch keyframe. Then go to brightness and contrast. Increase the brightness value to 60%. Then increase the contrast value to 60%. Turn on both keyframe here and move few frames forward. And then reset scale value and brightness and contrast. Then increase shutter angle value 360%. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect. Copy these two effects and paste it in this layer. Press Ctrl V to paste it. Then again go to effect panels and search white and black. Select all the layer and apply black and white effect. And I will apply sound effect, transition and overlay video footage here. Here is the transition, apply on this point. Here is the sound effect, apply all the video layers. Press Alt on this keyboard to duplicate the layer. Lastly, I will apply overlay video footage here. Select overlay video footage and go to the effect control panels and change the blending mode to screen. Now if I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To learn more amazing video editing tricks like this, check out our previous videos and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our next videos.